My name is Stefan Hogan and I'm Executive Chef at the Corinthia Palace Hotel in Attard. So today I'll be preparing a dish with cauliflower, and I'll be showing you how to utilize the stalks, the leaves, the stems and the florets. So I'll be having part of the cauliflower which is going to be roasted with a roast harissa. I'll be doing a small floret which I'll be caramelizing in butter. I'll be doing a puree. I'll be doing a cauliflower couscous, which is basically a cauliflower that has been grated and mixed with the ingredients so it resembles a couscous. And then the leaves and the stalks are going to be very finely sliced and quickly fried in some oil and seasoned with thyme and salt and pepper. And what we'll have is a dish that looks appealing, is interesting, has different flavors, different textures, and it's all made from one ingredient, but more importantly, it's utilizing the whole vegetable. Very, very little will end up in the waste basket. Food waste needs to be high on our agenda, and the only way we can tackle food waste is by ensuring that we show respect to the ingredients. We also need to show respect to the people who produce the ingredients, so the fisherman, the farmer and the producer. And the only way we can reduce food waste is by ensuring that as little of what we have on our chopping board or what we are cooking with ends up in the waste basket. Whenever I create recipes, I always make sure that offcuts of fruits, vegetables, meats or fish have a secondary purpose in possibly another recipe, to make sure that all the ingredients that can be taken out of the product are useful and have a utility within a recipe, to make sure that as little is wasted and ends up in the waste basket.